cider vinegar helps to lower your blood sugar levels, and also because of its antibacterial properties, it helps to remove all the bad bacteria from your body very quickly. So you can have any of these two options for your early morning drink. Proceeding towards our breakfast options for belly fat diet plan. The first option that we'll take is 2 minutes oatmeal with fruits. Now it's a super easy recipe that you can follow for 2-minute oatmeal. Now people say that it takes a lot of time to prepare the oatmeal, and hence here I come with this 2-minute recipe in which simply you can boil the oats in microwave for 30 seconds in water and then adding the milk and then again simmering it for 2 minutes and then add fruit of your own choice. Now I'm not adding any kind of sweetener to this. You can always skip it. Do not add any kind of sugar, jaggery or even honey. We'll skip it and prefer sugar from the fruits itself. Now those who cannot have this, then the second option for you is club sandwich or hunkered sandwich. Now the recipe is super simple. All I've done here is in 1 big tablespoon of hunkered, I'm adding lots of veggies of my own choice. You can add whatever is seasonally available with you. Seasoning it with black pepper powder, pinch of salt and simply add it to 2 slices of multigrain bread or brown bread or sourdough bread. You can grill the sandwich or you can even have it raw as per your own convenience and enjoy your delicious breakfast option with great amount of probiotic and also giving you good fiber in the morning itself. And now let's proceed towards our mid-morning snack options for belly fat diet plan. You can have this between your breakfast and lunch if you feel hungry, or you can skip it as well if you don't find the need to it. The best option for mid-morning snack is you can either have 1 cup of freshly brewed matcha tea if you like having it, and as you know 1 cup of matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea. The antioxidant level is super high and great for your belly fat, visceral fat and super great amount of antioxidant level as well. Along with that, you can have 1 fruit of your own choice, be it cherries, be it 1 whole apple, cucumber as per your own convenience. Second option, if you cannot have this, you can always have apple cinnamon detox water. Now the complete recipe of my apple cinnamon detox water is yet again here, which requires minimum time and is amazing for your belly fat loss. Keep on sipping on this water throughout the day and you'll definitely see a number going lower on the scale next morning and is suitable for every season. Proceeding towards our lunch option for belly fat diet plan. Now as usual, 30 minutes before your lunch, you will have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water to help you reduce your blood sugar spikes when it comes to your food intake and also to kill all the bad bacteria in your body very quickly. And now let's proceed towards our lunch options. The first lunch option will be you can have a good full bowl of dal, be it the chilka dal or green moong dal or yellow moong dal as per your own convenience. You can even add lots of veggies to it like broccoli, capsicum, bell peppers, onion, tomato, all the spices that are necessary for you to season it and enjoy a good full bowl of dal, which gives you good amount of protein, fiber and also removes all the constipation very quickly. Along with that, you can have a good full bowl of salad and curd. As per your own convenience, you can have raita or curd. Second option for your lunches, you can have this good full bowl of black chana salad. Now the complete recipe of my healthy black chana salad is yet again here, which requires very minimal time to prepare and you can even carry it for your lunch if you're stepping out and having your lunch outside. Follow the complete recipe as it is again good source of fiber, good amount of protein and great amount of calcium as well. Helps you reduce all amount of constipation whatever prevails in your body and also clears your gut very quickly. Now let's proceed towards our last option for lunch, which can be soup. Now if you're very eager to lose all that belly fat very quickly and can easily have soups for your lunch, then you can definitely go for these 3 recipes. Lemon coriander soup, tomato soup, or you can even go for all veggie soup. Now in this you can even add 50 to 70 grams of paneer, or you can even have it as per your own side option, but definitely incorporate some kind of protein to this. You can even replace it with some tofu or some eggs. You can have 2 to 3 boiled eggs along with that and enjoy your tasty delicious soup with some egg or protein of any kind like be it paneer or tofu. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack options for belly fat diet plan. Now who all are addicted to tea or coffee, then you can definitely have your tea or coffee as per your own preference in your mid-evening snack, but do not add any kind of sugar or sweetener to this of any kind. Along with that, you can have 1 small piece of date, just 1 single date and not more than that, to help you maintain your blood sugar levels. And if you cannot have that, you can also have 5 to 10 soaked almonds and 2 walnuts as your mid-evening snack. Now let's proceed towards our dinner options for belly fat diet plan. For that, I'll be giving you 2 options. The first option is you can have a good full bowl of papaya or pineapple, or you can even have a small bowl of anar raita. As per your own convenience, you can prepare any of these 3 options for your dinner: pineapple, papaya, or you can even have anar raita, because these 3 options are great to help you cleanse your gut and performs as a natural cleanser in your body. So you can definitely see a great inch loss and reduce visceral fat to a great extent when you have this as your dinner option. So try sticking to this for your extreme belly fat loss. Now let's proceed towards our bedtime drink options for your belly fat diet plan. Now for bedtime drink, you can always have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. Now this basically helps to remove all the stress of the entire day and also helps in relaxing your nerves to promote good sleep. And also people suffering from insomnia should definitely try out this tea, as it has been seen proven results to give you good sleep benefits and also to help you with boosting your metabolism as well. So you can definitely try out this tea for your bedtime drink, or you can even have ajwain or jeera water if you cannot have this for your bedtime. Ajwain and jeera definitely works amazing for your belly fat loss and also to remove all the visceral fat very quickly. Helps to remove all the water stored and works amazing for your belly fat loss. So you can definitely follow ajwain or jeera water for your bedtime drink. And with this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to remove